Hi, my name is Dylan Desrosiers. I'm a sophomore at North Attleborough High School here, and today I want to show you a project that I've made during graphic design class, and that's a model of room 114, which we're hoping is going to be the new graphic design room next year. Um, and the goal is to provide a space where students can collaborate in the graphic arts and meet with clients, work on independent projects, listen to teacher instruction. Um, and the clients could be other students or community members and businesses. But the goal here is to provide students with real world experiences. So, meeting with the client and working with them from concept to edits to final product. So, if we go inside here, you'll notice this is a fully carpeted space. We have an accent wall color on two perpendicular walls to liven up the space. Doesn't have to be orange. There's also it's an industrial looking space with beams and ventilation ducts, which is designed to reinforce a more corporate or career centered atmosphere. And if we look over here, we're hoping that this wall right near the entrance is going to be an art gallery to showcase student artwork. That'll give space to students to show off their work, and doing that is an important thing because it gives them that feeling of, hey, I made that, which is a feeling that doesn't come up in a lot of other classes. Excuse me. And also clients can view student artwork when they come to visit. And the most important thing is that it's going to be a flexible gallery. So we'll use suspended metal wire and hooks to allow art to be easily clipped and unclipped. Then over here, this is the office. So it's going to be a secured room used for teacher records, monies collected, yearbook records. And there's also a window down here, which is really convenient if the teacher needs to be in their office working in solitude, but they can still also watch the class. And you'll notice that this desk is actually a rolling desk, so it can come out of the office into the main part of the classroom. On this wall, we'd like to have a projector input drop to connect to the projectors. And if we go over to our photo studio here, we'll be able to use studio lighting, different backdrops, experiment with photography, things like that. There's also plumbing on this wall right here, which could be used to expand into screen printing or other dirty media photography processes. This over here is a supply depot. Notice that the ceiling is a little lower than the rest of the room. And the goal here is that this would again be a secured room, probably with metal caging. And that would be a storage area for all of the visual arts. Over here, we actually have a laptop cart to provide mobility and sharing student work with peers or other clients. We actually have Windows machines shown in this video, though the hope is that they would actually be Apple MacBooks, which are known for their superior processors and screen resolutions for graphic design. Basically, they're an industry standard for anyone working in graphic design. And this drafting table here could be great for future student projects and classes. And now on to the actual classroom itself. Notice that all of this furniture is rollable, and these hexagonal desks actually split into two, so you can reconfigure the room for group work, client meetings, peer critiques, class lecture. And I've realized how important collaboration is in a class like graphic design, which is why flexible seating is that important. And the wide open space here is designed to promote and encourage student-to-student collaboration and meeting with other clients. Plenty of whiteboards to sketch out ideas and drawings and hold brainstorming sessions. We actually have two projectors, which is important in a class that's basically all on a computer. So one of them could be used to show a PowerPoint or a class lecture or video, and the other one could show the graphic design software itself simultaneously. Another cool expansion would be wireless projection, so students can easily connect to one of the projectors and share their screen and designs with the rest of the class. So here's a couple more views here. We have our printers in the back, and we'll get to those in a minute. But I actually want to turn around here and take a look at the storage area. And this rack right here is mainly just a representation of what this storage area could be. It could be flat storage for prints. There will be vertical storage for printer materials and sketching materials. There will be storage lockers for securing valuables such as tablets and cameras. And most importantly, all the materials will be inventoried and locked away. And moving to the back of the room now, we have a nice big conference table here, 2 conference tables, and some more storage on the bottom here. And this space is going to be dedicated primarily to the yearbook crew. We have plenty of desktop computers for collaboration. And this new location for the yearbook editors will allow them to take advantage of the technology and tools that we have in the Graphic Arts Lab. Our hope is to also have some bulletin boards or some other, like some wire hooks for hanging other artwork. And now let's take a look at our printing area. We want to have a variety of printers. This many might be a little overkill, but it looks cool. So we'll have high quality ones for use with specialty papers and inks. We'll have lower quality ones for sample drafts and conceptual art to save money. And also wide format printers for making banners and posters, things like that in-house. We also have a paper guillotine over on that conference table over there, which could be used for cutting out business cards and such. So here's a little bird's-eye view. All right, thank you, everybody.